after finishing the last step, you probably end up with this shape of the cube. Now, two things might happen. Number one, you don't have any face complete, like these two, or you might have one face complete, like the red one. In either ways, you're going to use the same algorithm or the same sequence. Algorithm is just a word we use to describe set of sequence. So if you're not comfortable with the word algorithm, we can just say sequence. So if you end up with one face complete like the red one, or no face complete, you will use the same sequence. The only difference that if you end up with a complete face like the red one, you're going to start with this face. If you end up with no face complete, you can start with any one, doesn't matter. In this case, we're going to start with the red face. Hold the cube so the red face or the complete face is facing you, and lower the middle layer down. This should be easy for you now. And then we're going to rotate the bottom layer to the right, and then rotate back the middle layer up. Then we're going to rotate the bottom layer twice to the left. Again, we're going to rotate the middle layer down. And then we're going to rotate the bottom layer to the right. And then finally, we rotate the middle layer up. And then we're going to check the cube. Nothing happened. So let's repeat the sequence again. Middle layer down, bottom layer to the right, middle layer up, rotate the bottom layer twice to the left, middle layer down, rotate to the right, middle layer up, and sometimes this will happen and you have finished the cube.